Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. Well, this is my subject today. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a couple years ago. Models from Southern Cross in Okinawa. That's one of the best model agency in Okinawa. And I got this image, and I made this image by Adobe Photoshop. Use filter called Find Edges as always. And I'm gonna move this layer in between these two layers. I'm gonna change this blend mode to darken, and also I'm gonna turn this one down to 50%. The line image, and also I'm gonna change the opacity to about 30% or so. So we can see that both line image and also the base image. Now I can paint it on this layer now. Well, I'm gonna use watercolor. Choose the watercolor brush. First of all, go for a watercolor wash flat. We have almost two colors. One is the skin color, and then the other one is this greenish cyan, real saddle color, which I like. Well, then maybe a little warm color on right here. So use those three colors base to make this image to some different image. Well, let's try it. Okay, turn this one down again to about 30% or so. Then choose, first of all, I'm gonna go with the healthy nice skin tone first. Okay, this is go. I go light area first. Then I go a little bit shadow area, which is this side. And also this part. And this part. Now we see some shadow here. I'm going to add some kind of bluish shadow, and I'm going to add some water to blend. Okay. Can you see it? Can see it. Very saddle colors blended in together here. Okay, now you go with the hairstyle, lighter area, and a little bit dark shadow area. Okay, now I'm gonna dry first. And then choose some light area of the hair. Change the brush to watercolor round detail. Okay. I see some light area. Opacity down, so easier for you to see these. Okay. I'm gonna blend in water later. Oops. What's this? Okay, I'm gonna merge down this. I guess I put these hairs, so just merge down to make one layer. Then I see here. Oops, again. I'm gonna merge down again. Merge down, and I choose this layer. Once you change the blend mode opacity, you gotta touch here. So I forgot to go back. Okay, go back now. Then some touch. Okay, now go for a little bit dark area, which is around here. Now I'm gonna choose that watercolor wash flat again to make it darker. I'm gonna add some blue shadow to blend, and just touch more water. Okay, now I'm going to change the brush and add some water with basic watercolor brush to blend here. Okay, it's kind of fun. Let's see, too much bluer. So I'm gonna blend this one in more to outside. Okay, now I want this shadow. Okay, just leave it now. And I'm gonna put light color on this here. Go back to watercolor wash flat, real subtle light blue. You see, real subtle though. It's gonna blend the warm color to make some ooze like this here. Ooze color. Okay. Now I'm gonna add some soda cream close to the skin color. Real hard to see, I think. It's so subtle. Okay, go back this layer. Oh, once I'm gonna dry, then let me add some. You can tell, can you see it? Real subtle. You very see it. Okay, now I'm gonna add some wrinkle about here, just a touch more dark. This time go with a little bit darker, then change the brush to basic watercolor again. This is for wrinkle. Oops, this I gotta dry first. and then make it a little bit more smaller. Well, this just and I'm gonna add some water to a blend. Okay, now okay, I'm going to go for a shadow area here. I'm going to choose, okay, basic watercolor, just that is fine. And I'm going to dry. Oops. I merge down first, then dry this. Oops. It's dried already. Okay. Well, about here, too strong, I think, so I'm going to erase it. And I'm going to dry and blend it in with the water. To blend this one in. I'm going to merge down again, then once you merge down, it's dried already, yeah. Okay, I like this texture, just that it is, that's fine. And let's see now. Now go for background. I'm gonna make the creative empty mask on this base image later. Then I'm gonna review the sum of the image. So what I'm gonna do now is only painting on the background, real very basic color on this layer. Okay, let's change, add the layer to underneath of this subject color, then draw on this for background color. With watercolor, wash flat, then cyan green, more bluer green. Let's see how it's branded. It's nice. It goes nicely. It goes so nice, I think. Real very nice. Can you guys see this color though? Real nice, soft. And again, I'm gonna add some this brownish color, blend it in. Let me change the brush. Has more texture in it. Watercolor wash soft. Then make it bigger. This water. Okay, dry first. Then okay, I guess almost done with these colors. Okay, I'm gonna create empty mask, convert, then invert, Okay, now I'm gonna review on this base image. Soft round opacity. Let's try on this. Real soft. To review on this now. Can you see? First hide this line image now. I don't need everything in it, so I'm gonna make empty mask too. Create empty mask, and then invert this one too. Now we only have tried to review on this, much like watercolor drawing. Okay, make it smaller, real soft. And this, oops. What did I do? On here. And also I want to see the lines, some on these lines here. Review on this. Well, pretty much done. Real soft image. Okay, I guess it's almost done. Made this base image. This is a drawing, the watercolor paint to this. Well, thank you for watching. I really appreciate support me to watching this video. Everybody, have a nice day and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.